Hello there. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets nature. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most fascinating trends in sustainable home design, upcycled log slice tables. These stunning pieces capture the soul of nature and transform it into functional, eye-catching art. If you've ever looked at a fallen tree or a rough wooden log and wondered what beauty it might still hold, this video will open your eyes to endless possibilities. We'll explore how you can turn reclaimed wood slices into tables that are not only practical, but also deeply artistic. Whether you love the rustic feel of raw wood, the sleekness of modern finishes, or the eco-friendly charm of upcycling, these log slice table ideas are sure to inspire your next project. So grab your cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's uncover how to bring the forest's timeless beauty right into your living space. There's something truly magical about taking a simple piece of nature and turning it into something extraordinary for your home. In today's video, we are exploring the timeless beauty and creativity behind upcycled log slice tables, where raw nature meets elegant functionality. These pieces are not just tables, they are living stories carved by time, transformed into stunning works of art that bring warmth and authenticity into any space. Whether you love rustic charm, modern minimalism, or nature-inspired design, these log slice tables are a perfect way to celebrate the beauty of reclaimed wood and sustainable craftsmanship. Imagine a slice of a tree trunk, its natural rings, its textures, its imperfections turned into a table that becomes the heart of your living room. Each grain tells a story, each crack whispers history, and every curve reminds us that beauty often lies in imperfection. With the right imagination and a touch of creativity, an old log can become a breathtaking coffee table, a side table, or even a dining centerpiece that instantly adds character to your home. Upcycling wood isn't just about design, it's about sustainability and respect for nature. Instead of letting fallen trees or leftover timber go to waste, we give them a second life, one that serves purpose and beauty. It's an art form that encourages mindful living, where every creation is as unique as the tree it came from. That's what makes upcycled log slice tables so special. They are pieces of nature, preserved and reimagined for modern living. Before we dive deeper, if you're passionate about sustainable home decor and love creative wood transformations, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor and turn on the notification bell. We share weekly ideas that blend nature, design, and craftsmanship, helping you bring the serenity of the outdoors right into your home. Now, let's look at some incredible ways to upcycle log slices into functional art. One of the most popular styles is the live edge coffee table, a perfect mix of raw texture and refined elegance. By preserving the natural edge of the log, you create a table that feels organic yet luxurious. Add sleek metal or minimalist wooden legs, and you have a modern rustic centerpiece that complements any space from cozy cabins to contemporary lofts. If you're a DIY lover, log slice side tables are the perfect weekend project. You can cut uniform slices from a reclaimed log, sand them smooth, and finish them with natural oils or matte varnish to enhance their organic tones. Stack a few slices together for height, or keep a single thick slab for a low, earthy look. These tables look stunning beside sofas, armchairs, or even as plant stands that let your greenery shine naturally. For a truly artistic touch, try incorporating resin into your design. Clear or tinted resin fills natural cracks and voids in the wood, preserving its organic form while adding a glossy, artistic finish. Some makers even embed stones, dried flowers, or metallic flakes into the resin, giving the table a unique personality and a modern twist. It's where rustic charm meets contemporary flair, the best of both worlds. You can also elevate your design by adding hairpin legs or industrial-style frames, creating a beautiful balance between raw and refined. The natural top paired with sleek metal legs brings a sense of contrast that instantly draws attention. Whether your home features minimalist interiors or boho chic aesthetics, a log slice table fits effortlessly and adds soul to your space. If you're enjoying these creative transformations, take a moment to like this video and share it with friends who love woodworking or sustainable decor. Every share helps us grow the Kuki Decor community and inspires more people to see the potential hidden in nature's raw materials. Now, let's talk about finishes, the secret to making your log slice table shine. For a natural, rustic feel, use linseed or tung oil to highlight the grain while protecting the surface. For a more polished, modern appearance, try a satin or epoxy finish that adds depth and a touch of gloss. Always seal both sides of the wood to prevent warping and ensure longevity. Remember, patience and attention to detail turns a good project into an heirloom quality piece. Another great option is combining different-sized log slices into one tabletop. This mosaic approach creates a beautiful patchwork effect, every slice showcasing unique patterns and tones. It's a wonderful way to upcycle smaller scraps and create something truly one of a kind. You can even frame the arrangement with a simple border to give it structure and make it look professionally crafted. For outdoor settings, consider turning a large log slice into a patio or garden table. With the right weatherproof finish, it becomes a natural gathering spot that connects you with the outdoors. The texture, the scent, the story behind it all come together to create a tranquil, grounded atmosphere that makes every moment feel special. There's also something deeply emotional about crafting with reclaimed logs. Each piece carries a sense of time, maybe it once stood tall in a forest, providing shade and shelter. Now, as a part of your home, it continues that story in a new form. That's the essence of functional art, beauty with purpose, design with meaning. And the best part is, you don't need to be a professional carpenter to create something beautiful. With simple tools, a bit of sanding, and creativity, anyone can transform a log slice into a masterpiece. Whether you're making it as a personal project or as a thoughtful gift, it's a piece that speaks from the heart, natural, raw, and enduring. As you explore different designs, remember that imperfection is beauty. The cracks, uneven edges, and unique grains are what make each table truly special. In a world of mass-produced furniture, Upcycled wood reminds us of individuality and craftsmanship. It's not about perfection, it's about connection between maker and material, home and nature. When you add an upcycled log slice table to your home, you're not just decorating, you're telling a story. A story of sustainability, creativity, and appreciation for the natural world. These tables become conversation starters, reflections of personal style, and daily reminders that beauty can be born from simplicity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through nature's artistry. We hope these upcycled log slice table ideas inspire you to look at wood in a new way, not as waste, but as wonder. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor, hit the like button, and leave a comment sharing your favorite design idea. Together, let's keep celebrating sustainable creativity and the timeless charm of wood. Because at Kuki Decor, we believe every piece of nature deserves a second life, and every home deserves a touch of its beauty.